Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn on and enable Spotify Jam. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Spotify app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, simply start playing the music that you would like to jam. Once you are ready, tap on the speaker-like icon beside the play icon at the bottom of your screen and the jam menu will appear. Here you can see that I have my jam enabled, so I will disable it and show you the proper way of doing that. Once you tap on the jam icon, you will see this type of menu. Here, tap on the Start a Jam button and your jam will be enabled. Now you have three methods of sharing it. Either you can use the QR code or just enable Bluetooth and tap your phones. Or you can tap on the share button and share the link to the target person. So that's basically how you can turn on and enable Spotify Jam. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.